here. Today we're going to do another full day of eating. I'm still out in Louisiana and my mom is out of the hospital, which is awesome. So things are going well. Today we're going to start off with a little crawfish. So I'll share with you what I get today. Hey guys, I got the crawfish back at home, and as you can see, my mom is cutting them open.
Ooh, they big good.
This is what we gonna have for our first meal today.
Oh God.
We got 8 pounds of crawfish. I'ma have 4, and Mama gonna have 4. Yeah, show them what it look like, Mom.
Yeah.
I'll check in with y'all at the next meal.
That's a giant one. I like the big paws.
Me too.
Ooh, that's enough for now.
Nope, go ahead and feel mine.
I'll eat it hot. She want to keep them hot.
Whatever.
Ooh, she's got the spatula. You got it?
Yeah, this good.
Oh,
I got it. This good.
Shit. What?
This good.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out the. Yeah. That way we can get.
He missing a paw. See, he got 2, but he got cooked like that.
This how you crack them open and eat them. Eat them. Mama gonna show y'all how to do it.
Peachy at this end, and that's supposed to come right on out, but it ain't happening. There you go.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's delicious.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all in the next meal.
Hey, it's salty.
They salty and delicious. Well, we gonna enjoy them.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what I had with the crawfish, I had a Diet Dr. Pepper, and right now, I guess it's about 2 hours later, I'm having a Powerade Zero. Like I said, I like to keep my electrolytes and everything on point. You can see what's going on with that. Next time I get something, I'll share that with you. Hey guys, this is the third thing we're going to have today. I'm having things a little bit backwards, but I'm going to have a multivitamin, fish oil, 2 CLA, and then I'm going to have 2 glasses of water. Also going to have some community coffee, the Mardi Gras King Cake coffee. We're going to have that. And let's see here. We'll have that, and then I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 Splenda. So that will be our third thing that I have today. So I will check in with you all on the next meal. Hey guys, this is my 4th meal today. I have 1 can of the Del Monte fresh cut green beans with the sea salt. You can see what's going on with that. Where are we? 0 fat, 3 carbs, 1 fiber, so you got 2 net, 1 protein per serving, and there's 3.5 servings in the can. So I have the whole can there. I have baked up some leg quarters with the skin on it, and they were pretty fatty, and I've seasoned those up with this Monterey steak seasoning, which is what I'm going to have too on the green beans as well. And I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter because I am behind on my fat today. So we're going to have that butter, the green beans there. Should be pretty good. Then I'm going to have 2 glasses of water. So I will see y'all in the next meal. Hey guys, this is it's getting pretty late. I guess it's around 9 or 9:45, 10 o'clock. And I got a long drive tomorrow, but this is going to be the last thing that I'm going to have today, which is some macadamia nuts. My fats, it's been very, very hard to get my fats in since I've been out here with my mom, but I'm going to have 1/4 cup of this. It's 230 calories, 23 grams of fat, 4 carbs, 2 fibers, so you got 2 net carbs and 2 protein. So I'm just going to have 1 serving of this, which is about 1/4 of a cup. And that is actually going to finish off my macros for today. I hope you all enjoyed this full day of eating. I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. As usual, he's waiting to get it in. We're going to go ahead and get that walk done. You ready, Rob? You ready? Okay. See y'all later.